Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out these shower steamers. I can already kind of smell them through the bag, so let's check out. Oh, I see. So this is for the morning because it's to energize and all that good stuff. This one is to calm you down. So before, bedtime, all that stuff. This one I'm assuming is lavender flavor or lavender. Yep, right here. Lavender scent because it's purple. This one could be, grapefruit, citrus, cocoa, orange, kind of fruity scents. We're gonna start with this one since this is the start of the day. Oh, wow, it smells so good. I thought it already smelled good outside the box. Ooh, they are strong. Wow, they're a lot bigger than I expected they'd be. Oh, interesting. Okay, so there are 3 different ones in here. So I thought they were gonna be like a mix of all of them, but you actually have your citrus scent, grapefruit scent, and orange scent. And they all actually do smell exactly as they should. So super excited to use these. What it's supposed to do for you is kind of like, they have that natural essential oils in them. And what you're supposed to do is just place one tablet on the shower floor away from heavy stream, prevent it from being submerged, and for the best result, use hot water. Great, because that's all I use, scalding hot water. This is basically how you can enjoy like a home spa and just, relaxation. So let's check out these bedtime ones. Oh, they're all kind of just thrown in there a little bit, probably because they're all, and this one's already kind of broken. So, ooh, it's a little bit sticky already. Smells so amazing. I'm actually about to shower right after this, so I am ready to use this. So that's what it looks like. This one is a little sticky because I'm assuming maybe it got like a little heated during transportation or something like that. I wonder if you can after one hot shower, if you can actually reuse them. So I'm gonna keep this foil just to put it away in case it doesn't entirely melt during my shower. And the instructions for this are the same as well. Just put it on the shower floor, not submerged and away from heavy stream. If you're interested in purchasing any of these packages, I have links to them in the link below. If you're interested in learning how to become a product reviewer or content creator, I also have online courses for you in the description as well. But if you just want to continue watching unboxings, I have a lot of those, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.